Applying this as part of my nighttime routine. This is the very Kay TimeWise Age Minimize 3D cream for a combination to all skin. I use this at night to help hydrate my skin while I sleep without feeling heavy or greasy. I'm just applying a small amount on my arm. The texture feels lightweight but it's still very nourishing. What I really like about this night cream is that it absorbs well and doesn't clog my pores. It helps my skin feel smooth, balanced, and more comfortable overnight. This formula is designed to support skin renewal and help the skin look more refreshed by the morning. Even though it's a moisturizing, it works well for a combination to oily skin. After applying, my skin feels soft and hydrated. I recommend this if you want a night cream that hydrates without feeling too rich. Overall, it's a great option for a simple and effective nighttime skincare routine.